हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। जैसा कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि इस बार हम स्टोरी टेलिंग करने वाले हैं विद पपेट, तो आज हम वही करने जा रहे हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Once upon a time, in a jungle, there is a rabbit and tortoise. Both are friends. Then one day they are talking together. Then rabbit said, Rabbit is proud on his speed and said, I am very fast, you are very slow. I am fast, I am fast, I am fast. Then Turtle said, You are fast, don't be overconfident. I am slow, but I am good. Then Rabbit said, You are slow, you are slow, you are slow. The rabbit is irritating to the turtle. Then Turtle said, When we have a race, we have a race. He challenged the rabbit. Then rabbit laughing to the tortoise, You are slow, you will I will win, I will win, you are slow. Then tortoise is very angry and said, Begin the race, begin the race. Then both are the starting point. Then 1, 2, 3, get set, go. The race will begin. Then the rabbit runs very fast. They hop and run. But the tortoise slow very slowly. They walk very slowly. After some time, the rabbit is having a snack. He is very lazy. Oh, I want a snack. Then he will sleep. But the tortoise think in first, I am slow. I know I am slow, but I will walk together after when we reach finishing line. The tortoise walk, and rabbit is sleeping. After some time, the tortoise will reach the finishing line. Hooray! Tortoise is reaching the finishing line. After some time, the rabbit was woke up. Oh, there is a very best snack. Then see back. Tortoise is not there because tortoise is in the finishing line. Then the rabbit see, I am first. He ran very fast. After reaching the finishing line, he see what happened. The tortoise is win the race already. He is very sad. Then tortoise said to the rabbit, Do not be overconfident. As I know I am slow, but I will reach together. I will walk together. Then rabbit says sorry to the tortoise. Oh, from now onwards, they are best friends. Thank you. Bye bye.